last couple of minutes of trade. So let's start closing this out. It has been a good week for the market, ending on a tepid note, but as they say, perhaps slow and steady wins the race. So the Nifty hitting the historic next level of 23,000 in intraday action. Of course, the close will happen just below it. Let's talk about the movers and shakers. On the upside, HDFC Bank, L&T, Bharti Airtel, Axis Bank, these were the stocks that were leading from the front. The Bank Nifty is still retaining some green. Nifty, Sensex, Midcap index have flattened out. But the Nifty Bank was actually the best performing index today. Beyond banks, Bharti Airtel was a strong mover, about 1% higher. Ultratech Cement had some follow through with about a 0.5% gain. So that's the list of gainers. The profit taking was evident in some auto names and IT names. So some examples would be, for instance, Mahindra and Mahindra. Hero also lower from the auto arena. We talk about Asian Paints down about 1%. Adani Ports shaved off some of yesterday's excitement, down about 2% as well. And then, you had the heavyweights like TCS, ITC and Infosys, which were on the lower side of the screen. Let's talk about the mid-cap market. Of course, it's very, very earnings-driven today. The mid-cap index fizzled out. The breadth is also slightly negative as we are winding up the day. But individual movers and shakers as usual. Phenolics Cables, strong earnings reaction, about 12% higher. Vodafone Idea on the UBS report, talking about possible upside if indeed they get relief on AGR payments from the government. So 7% on that stock. Bikaji and Honasa were the other very positive result reactions. Good strong showing coming in over there. Bharat Dynamics, 11%. We've got names like fertilizer companies like RCF, about 6.5% higher. So these were some of the big winners on the mid-cap screen. Should just mention here that Interglobe has ended negative profit taking, though of course a bumper quarter, but down about 3.5% on Interglobe as the day was winding up. Let's look at Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland ending absolutely flat with a cut of almost 1% after numbers came in mixed. Margins expanded, but top line a little sluggish. The bell has gone. The week is over. The Nifty has put on 2%, taking out some very critical levels today. So it is bulls in control, even though the final rates today point out to a little bit of profit taking this Friday. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell. Thank you very much for watching. But don't go anywhere because our Friday special Editors Roundtable is coming right up.